The best-selling concrete patch isn't always the one that lasts. Most people grab whatever's on sale or has the flashiest label, but driveway cracks need real solutions, not just good marketing. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 patches that actually hold up. Product number 1, Magic Crack Filler. This gray granular patch from Thero's distribution caught my eye because it's dry powder, no mixing, no mess. At $38.60 for 2.5 pounds, it's mid-range price-wise, and over 700 people bought it last month, so clearly it's popular. If you want a no-fuss fix that blends into your concrete and sets fast, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The granulated polyurethane formula expands slightly as it cures, filling hairline to wide cracks, even uneven ones that look like spider webs. You just dampen the crack, pour it in, and walk away. No tools, no cleanup, and it resists water intrusion, which is huge for driveways exposed to rain and snow. It's made in the USA and designed to stay put under foot and vehicle traffic. Now some people might be turned off by the price. Nearly $40 feels steep for a small bag. And honestly, if you've got large spalls or deep holes, this isn't strong enough to rebuild structure. It's more of a surface seal than a structural repair. But for cracks under ½ an inch, it's surprisingly effective. This is perfect for you if you've got minor cracking and hate dealing with messy mixes. Skip this one if you're dealing with crumbling concrete or need to fill deep voids. For quick, clean crack sealing, it's solid value, just don't expect it to rebuild your driveway. Product number 2, Sikacryl Ready Mix Patch. Alright, that was a dry powder, now here's a pre-mixed option from Sika, a brand pros actually trust. The Sikacryl Gray Concrete Patch runs $10.92 for a quart, and over 500 units sold recently. If you want something ready to go right out of the tub with zero prep, this one's hard to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's acrylic latex-based, so it bonds well to existing concrete without shrinking or cracking over time. The texture helps it blend in, and it's waterproof, critical for driveways that see snow, salt, and rain. Plus, cleanup is just water, no harsh solvents. It sets in a few hours and cures fully in about a day, even in cooler temps. Now some people complained it doesn't hold up in deep holes, and they're right. This is best for surface spalls and shallow cracks, not structural repairs. Also, the small quart size means you'll need multiple packs for bigger jobs. But for small fixes around the driveway edge or sidewalk, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you want a no-mix, no-hassle patch for light damage. Skip this one if you're filling large gaps or need something load-bearing. At under $12, it's a steal for quick touch-ups. Product number 3, Luvbat Self-Leveling Filler. Now, if Sikakryl's shallow coverage bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Luvbat's 1.5-pound self-leveling sealant costs $25.73 and uses MS polymer, a flexible, high-adhesion material. Over 200 bought it last month, and it's built for movement. It's waterproof, UV-resistant, and works on concrete, metal, even wood. You inject it directly into cracks and it levels itself, no trowel needed. Fully cures in 24-48 hours. Now some people said it's tricky to apply neatly. If you overfill, it can ooze out and leave residue. And since it's a liquid sealant, it won't rebuild missing concrete. It's a seal, not a patch. But for joints and narrow cracks that flex, it's one of the most durable options. This is perfect for you if your driveway has fine cracks or expansion joints that leak. Skip this one if you've got crumbling edges or deep potholes. For long-term flexibility, it's excellent value. Product number 4, Rustoleum Pourable Patch. Alright, that was flexible, but what if you've got a real hole? Enter Rustoleum's 5-pound pourable patch at $45.04. This cement-based mix handles deep damage up to 4 inches, and over 100 people bought it last month. If you've got gouges or spalls, this rebuilds structure. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You just add water, mix, and pour. It sets fast, foot traffic in 1 hour, cars in 3. That's huge if you need your driveway back in service quickly. It works indoors and out, even in cold weather down to 40 degrees F. No need for layers or special tools. Now, some people said it shrinks slightly as it dries, and that's true. It's not as flexible as polymer options, so it can crack if the ground moves a lot. Also, at over $45, it's pricey for a one-time fix, but for deep repairs, it's one of the few that actually rebuilds. This is perfect for you if you've got serious damage and need strength fast. Skip this one if you're only sealing hairline cracks. For heavy-duty fixes, it's worth the cost. Product number 5, Red Devil Premixed Patch. Finally, if you want something simple and affordable, Red Devil's 1-quart premixed patch is $23.70. Made in the USA, it's ceramic-based and waterproof, and only 50 units sold, so it's quieter but solid. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's ready to use, won't shrink, and cleans up with soap and water. It dries light gray, so it blends well with most concrete. Great for small cracks, spalls, or even indoor repairs. No mixing, no stress. Now, some people said it's not strong enough for high-traffic areas, and they're right. This is best for light-duty fixes. Also, the quart size is small, so bigger jobs need multiple cans, but for a quick, reliable patch that won't crack, it's dependable. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, mid-priced patch for minor damage. Skip this one if you're fixing load-bearing areas. For small driveway touch-ups, it's a smart buy. So which one's best? Magic Crack Filler for clean, dry application. Sikacryl for quick, pre-mixed fixes. Luvbat for flexible, long-term sealing. Rustoleum for deep structural repairs. And Red Devil for affordable, no-mix patching. Each has its place, pick based on your damage, not the label. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. It will keep cutting through the hype.